When it comes to perfecting your pedicure at home, we all want something quick, easy, and long-lasting, without the hefty price tag of a salon visit. Enter KISS Everlasting Press-On Toenails in the shade Limitless, offering an effortless way to achieve that French pedicure look at home. Whether you're running out the door or just need a quick pick-me-up, these press-on toenails promise flawless results without the mess. Let's take a closer look at how they hold up in real-life use and whether they really stand up to their claims. First, let's talk about the basics. This kit comes with everything you need for a perfect pedi, including 24 toenails in a short Squoval shape, 2 grams of nail glue, a manicure stick, and a mini file. The nails have a natural-looking French tip design with a rich white color that won't crack or wear off easily. And with the glue included, applying them is a breeze. No extra purchases necessary, unless you want to upgrade to the KISS PowerFlex nail glue, which is sold separately. I decided to test these out on a busy day when I didn't have time for a salon visit. The application was incredibly simple. I sized the press-on nails to fit my toes, applied a thin layer of the included glue, and pressed them on. The glue held firmly within seconds, and the nails stayed in place without shifting. It took me under 10 minutes to get both feet done, and I was out the door feeling like I had just walked out of a salon. One of the highlights here is the staying power. These nails are designed to last up to a week without chipping or fading, which is quite impressive for a press-on toenail kit. Over the course of my testing, I wore them for several days through different activities, walking, showering, and even a bit of gardening. While the nails stayed in place beautifully, the tips held up without any noticeable cracks or wear, giving me confidence that the product delivers on its promise of long-lasting wear. However, let's talk about the design. The Squoval shape is perfect for a natural look, nothing too over-the-top or dramatic, which makes these ideal for anyone looking for a more subtle French pedicure. The short size is particularly flattering, especially if you prefer more understated nails for your toes. But if you're someone who enjoys more length or a bolder design, you might find the style a bit limiting. Now, no product is without its downsides, and the KISS Everlasting Press-On Toenails do have a few. First, while the nails are easy to apply, the glue included isn't quite as strong as the PowerFlex version, which could affect their longevity. The mini file is useful for small touch-ups, but it's a bit small for anyone needing heavy reshaping. I also noticed that after wearing them for a week, the nails began to feel slightly loose, especially around the edges. A slight reapplication of glue might help, but it's something to keep in mind if you're expecting them to last the full 7 days without any touch-ups. In terms of value for money, the price point is definitely competitive, especially when compared to professional salon services. Considering the convenience and ease of application, it's a solid choice for anyone who wants a French pedicure without the hassle of salon visits. Of course, if you're expecting high-end, custom-tailored nails with intricate designs, you'll want to look elsewhere. But for a simple, quick fix, these nails definitely deliver. If you're looking for a more durable option, you might want to consider other nail brands with stronger adhesives. However, for the price and ease of use, KISS offers a very reliable option. If you're on a tighter budget or prefer a DIY pedicure experience, KISS provides an excellent alternative to pricier salon pedicures. To sum it up, the KISS Everlasting Press-On Toenails and Limitless offer a no-fuss DIY solution to achieving that classic French pedicure look at home. They're easy to apply, look natural, and stay put for days without chipping, perfect for anyone in need of a quick and reliable toenail upgrade. They may not be the absolute longest-lasting option, but they're certainly a great pick if you're looking for a quick fix with salon-quality results. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase the KISS Everlasting Press-On Toenails in the description below. Have you used these nails before? Drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.